We are going to look at how to write an equation given some data points for quadratic functions. So follow the instructions that we have here. So it says click the plus, add a table, and input the values for x and y. So we are going to use what's on the back, those coordinates. So -1, 0, 1, 2. And then y1 is going to be 0, 3, 4, 3. So look at how these points are drawn. So it doesn't look like a straight line because you have this one right here. And it doesn't look like it continues to go up to infinity. So we know it's not linear or exponential. It looks like a parabola, which is the shape of a quadratic function. So in order to graph the actual function, we have to find out what that function is. So it says in the next line, type in this. So we are going to go to line 2 and do y1. And the reason I'm using y1 is look at our table. We have x1 and y1. So that's what we're using. And then this squiggly is found right beside the 1. You do shift tilde, which is this little squiggly, a, x1. Then you need squared. So we hit shift 6 and put squared there. So look at how it looks. It doesn't look right yet. It's not matching. So then we're going to arrow to the right so that we can write plus bx1 plus c. There we go. Look, see how the red quadratic function matches our points? It won't exactly match if it is exact data points, but this is how it'll look. It'll be close to this. So then it says on step 4, round a, b, and c to 2 decimal places and write the quadratic equation with a, b, and c. Y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So on here, we actually have a, b, and c. And this is the same example as what we just did over here. So when we write our equation, it's going to be written as y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. You'll remember this as standard form of a quadratic. So we have been given a, b, and c. So y equals a is -1 x squared plus bx 2x plus c. Remember that negative is what flips it over and makes it an upside down U? So this is the function. So it says find the prediction if x was 4. So what we can actually do is we can go here and put x equals 4 and find out where they intersect. So when x is 4, y equals -5. See how cool that is? You can just type in x equals 4 and then find their intersection. It'll give it to you. So you'll glue this in the back of your journal with the Desmos for exponential and linear. So if you look back at our notes, at our last couple of Desmos, we actually have quadratic, exponential, and linear. So all of these use Desmos and create the function from a table of values.